back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you fix your Spectrum mobile device locked. So here are steps for your unlock policy eligibility. Fix 1. Verify requirements and request a digital release. You must manually ask Spectrum to release your IMEI from their network database once your phone is fully paid off. Open your phone's dial pad and type star hash 06 hash to locate and write down your 15-digit IMEI number. Launch the My Spectrum app, navigate to support, select Contact Us, and request a network unlock from the agent. Alternatively, you can call Spectrum Mobile Support directly at 833-224-6603 to submit the unlock request. Wait for 24 to 48 hours for Spectrum to process the authorization through their servers. Switch to perform the over the air Apple activation for your iPhones. iPhones do not use manual unlock codes. Their carrier profiles are updated directly via Apple's central activation servers. Wait for Spectrum to send you an approval text or email confirmation. Power down your iPhone and remove the Spectrum SIM card from the tray. Insert a physical SIM card from a different network provider like T-Mobile or AT&T and turn the phone back on. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network immediately. The phone will automatically ping Apple's server and change the status to no SIM restrictions in your settings. Step 3. Apply the manufacturer network code. This is for Android phone. Your Android devices require a physical code entry to override the original carrier partition on the device firmware. Check your email for the unique network unlock code sent to you by your Spectrum support. Turn off your Samsung, Motorola, or any Google Pixel phone and insert a non-Spectrum SIM card. Power the phone back on to automatically prompt the SIM network unlock pin security screen. Carefully type in the exact alphanumeric code provided by Spectrum and tap on unlock or submit to permanently open the device. Step 4. Manage storage and delete completed shows. Check the corner of your app's DVR screen to monitor your available storage capacity. Example, Sling TV tracks exact hours used, while YouTube TV tracks an expiration date. Open the information panel for any show you have finished watching. Select Remove, Unrecord, or the trash can icon to delete the title from your account and free up cloud allocation space for future recordings. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.